In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily deactivate a page on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then go to menu. In here, first of all, we need to switch our main Facebook account to a page. To do that, tap right here and then select a page. Once you have switched to page, go to menu again, then tap at that gear to open up settings, and then at the very top we need to search for delete. It will show you just one option, delete page and information. Tap on it, and on that step we are able to delete or deactivate our page. Deactivate page option selected by default. Deactivating your page is temporarily, so we can freely tap at continue, and then we'll be asked to enter our Facebook password. Once you've done that, tap at continue, and then just select any option from that list, scroll down and tap at that button. After that, scroll down again to the very bottom, and before tapping at continue, we can here configure automatically reactivate my account option. By default, it is set to 7 days, so in this case, if we just tap at continue, our page will be automatically reactivated after 7 days. If you want to turn off that timer, tap right here and then select Don't reactivate automatically, and then tap at continue. On the next step, tap at continue again, and on that final step, tap at that button. That's basically how we can easily deactivate our page on Facebook.